If your remote looks like this, I'm about to show you how to replace the battery without breaking the remote, but stick around to the end because that's when I'm going to show you a hidden feature in this key that everyone that has this kind of key should know about. This is the keyless entry key fob for many Subaru models. On the back there's a button you'll want to press to remove the physical key from the key fob. For this next step, it may be tempting to use this key, but it's better to use a screwdriver. That button that you press here moves the metal piece up and down. You don't want to press on that because it's not going to give you any leverage, so instead, go in through here and kind of pry up on the key. Gently pry back and forth until it comes apart. It shouldn't take a whole lot of effort to break it loose. Now we have access to the chip part of the key fob. You could take that out. Your buttons are in here, and your battery is visible right away. While you're in here, you may want to take it apart and clean it out. So note that your alarm button is right underneath your battery. So if you're prying on this, make sure you don't press that or else it's going to set your car off if it's nearby. But put your screwdriver underneath this battery. There's these two tabs here that are just barely holding on to the battery. Those are the ones that are going to let go, not these over here. So behind the battery right here, the battery's out. These key fobs use CR2032 batteries. They are sometimes just called 2032. That's how that goes in. The battery side of this chip component goes towards the button that releases the key. You may have to wiggle that a bit to get it to fit right. And once that's down flush, then you can put this back on. Make sure the key button is lined up and clip it together. Once it's clipped together, you can put the key back in and you're all set. So here's something pretty cool I wanted to show you with this key. Here's the key. I've got the lid taken off so I can show you there's no battery in there, but you can still start this car up. If you have your foot off the pedal, make it go near, it'll turn the car on. Now I'm going to put my foot on the pedal, and then you press the button in. It detects the chip inside this key and you can still start the car. Accidentally set off the alarm there.